Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Hotspot. So by tapping on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. So you can also switch it here. You can share QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change some of its settings, like you can change its name, you can change its password, you can select its security protocol. So none for no password. VPA 2 is for normal password, and VPA 3 for some extremely hard password or something. You can change device identification, you can also hide its SSID. You can set up one-time data limit. You can turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. You can support 6th generation standard. You can use it as USB tethering device. You can use Bluetooth tethering, Ethernet tethering. And you can also manage connected devices. So you can set up limit of connections, and you also have a block list where you can add unwanted devices. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.